Hello everyone, my name is Albert Bustillos and I'll be going over cybersecurity awareness. In this slideshow, I will briefly go over cybersecurity and awareness and how to protect ourselves from phishing attacks and fake websites. How to distinguish a legitimate website from a fake website. Also how to spot fake emails and what you should do if you do get a fake email that is trying to phish for your information and how to respond. Cybersecurity awareness. Staying vigilant and verify. Spot fake emails. Beware of phishing. So here you can see that the website is from non-HTTPS, which is not secure, and also where it's being sent from is not a legitimate email address. Next is a fake website. Just same problem. They don't have the HTTPS, and really what they're trying to do is get you to log into this so they can get your real Facebook account and log into that. So what I want people to take away is that they must remember that a legitimate website should have HTTPS within when it's URL, not HTTP alone. The HTTP is unsecure. This is where the S comes from, and this is what guarantees that the website is secure. Any information being sent through it will be secure and sent through a secure shell. So you must pay attention to what it says and follow this rule of thumb. Protect yourselves from attacks. One thing you can do to protect yourself is to report the email if you're getting this during your work hours. Then delete it. Also, do not download or click any of these links because it's also be a way for them to try and inject a virus. Remember, it is everyone's responsibility to remain vigilant and aware of these possible threats so that it can maintain their own personal security and safety. Hackers are constantly looking for vulnerabilities within a system and will do anything to gain access and steal information from their victims. So please remember to read the emails, and if you know that it's not sent from a reliable resource, report it or delete it. This emails, but do not download or respond to them. As the banks tell you, they would not call and request information. You should call your bank and speak to somebody before providing. Also, review your company's policy on personal use of email and work-related emails while using company computers. Every company should have a security team and contact information so that if for some reason have been suspected of receiving emails or logging into fake websites, you must report them so that this incident response team can handle it as soon as possible. Thank you.